Good morning, students. I'm here again with the topic business environment. Today, we are going to discuss the importance of the business environment. In the previous class, we have discussed the features and the meaning of the business environment. Now, in this class, we are going to study the importance of the business environment. So, in this class, we are talking about the importance of the business environment. We have learned that business environment is the sum total of all the individuals and institutions which are outside the control of the business enterprise but which affect its performance either positively or negatively. So, now it means if the business environment affects the business enterprise's performance, that's why it is very important to study the business environment because it has an wide it has a vital impact on the business and industries performance. So we are here to study the importance of the business environment. So these are the importance of the business environment. It enables the firm to identify opportunities and getting first mover advantage. It helps to identify threat and early warning signals. It helps in tapping the useful resources. It helps in coping with the rapid changes. It helps in assisting the planning and policy formation. It helps in improving the performance. Now we are discussing the importance of business environment one by one. So first importance, it enables the business enterprise to identify the opportunities and getting first mover advantage. What does it mean? It means that see, opportunities are provided by the business environment. Opportunities are the favorable trends. If we are able to identify them, we are able to catch them. Like when the corona disease has taken place, there are various companies which have taken the advantage and start manufacturing the various products for the corona to face the pandemic coronavirus disease. It includes the medicated so coronavirus infection MedC. It is a company which started producing this. So in the same manner various companies have started to produce the sanitizers and etc. In earlier 80s, Maruti company has identified that the income level of the Indian people is not very high. That's why it has started the production of the small cars, low price cars, that is Maruti 800. And now the Maruti company is the market leader. It is the first mover advantage. It means you business environment provides various opportunities, positive trends. If you are able to identify them, then you can take the advantage of that opportunities, and this is known as first mover advantage. Like LED bulb is first introduced by the Syska company. So Syska Limited has sold the LED bulbs in the early days at higher prices, very higher prices. Later on it reduces the prices because various competitors enter into the market, but the company who has taken the first mover advantage will always get the benefit. Now the next is business environment identify the threats and early warning signals. If you are regularly study the business environment, then you are able to identify the threats. Threats are the negative trends which will affect the performance of the business negatively, like introduction of the globalization has make the foreign companies enter into the Indian market. It is a great threat to a domestic business firms. Like another example is introduction of the large scale retail outlets is a threat to the small scale retailers. They have to modify their operations and they have to modify their layouts according to the large scale retail shops. Only then they will survive. Otherwise, the large scale outlets will be having a great threat to the small scale retailers. So if you want to take the first mover advantage or you want to modify your operations, because various threats are also available in the business environment, you need to regularly study the business environment. Now business environment also help the tapping the useful resources. A business firm needs various resources like capital, labor, machines and materials, and these inputs are taken from the society. If you are able to identify the various sources of the raw materials, various sources from you can take the human resource, various sources from you can take the finance efficiently, then you will be able to cash the high profits and with the lower down the cost of the operations. That's why business environment, if you are able to study the business environment carefully, then only then you will be able to tap the useful resources efficiently. So business environment provides this opportunity to every business enterprise. Now it helps in coping with the rapid changes, because business environment is regularly changing, as the in case of technological environment, in case of market conditions, technology, government policies, and various factors are regularly changing. If you are able to study, if you study the business environment regularly, then you can modify your operations as per the changing demands, as per the changing technology. Like here I have given one example: the earlier days black and white TVs, then the color televisions, now the LED TVs. If a particular uh, company, if it is not able to modify its operations as per the changing demands or as per the changing environment, it will not exist in the market and it will collapse. Like there are various companies who were not able to modify its operations, like Tesla is one of the company which manufactures the black and white televisions, but it later on it starts manufacturing the color TVs, but now it is not in the market because it has not updated itself as per the changing environment. So if you study what are the changes that are going to happen in the business environment, then you need to cope up with them, and you are only able to cope up with them when you study the business environment carefully. So it is one of the importance of the business environment, as it helps every business enterprises to deal with the rapid changes taken place in the environment. It helps in assisting planning and policy formulation. It is very simple, because the every business enterprise has to plan for future, and as per the opportunities and threats present in the business environment. If you study the carefully, what are the opportunities available to you and what are the threats you have to face, then you can plan accordingly. So it will save you from the losses. So it helps in improving the performance, because when you continuously monitor the business environment, you are able to adopt the suitable practices that can improve your performance, that will lower down your losses, that will give you the first mover advantage. So business environment helps you to improve your performance. So that's it for the day. In the next class, dear students, we will study about various dimensions of the business environment. Thank you.